This week, the first NPS challenge was to create rainbows to put in your windows. Have a look at all these amazing rainbows the children have made. I know that it's really cheering up the people in Normanton as they take their daily walk to get some fresh air. I've heard that they're counting. How many have you counted this week? Children, you know this is one of my favorite times because I like to share all the celebrations that have happened during the week. And even though this has been a bit of an odd week for us, and it will be like this for a few weeks, there are still some children doing some amazing things out there. So well done to you. Those rainbows, absolutely gorgeous. But there's a lot of children doing lots of other work as well. So let's see who's got the Going for Gold awards this week. We'll start out a little bit differently. You know, Miss Prince needs her glasses. We're going to start with Oxford class this week. And the Going for Gold award in Oxford class goes to Annabelle. And that's for her perseverance during a cross-stitch task. Well done, Annabelle. Well done. Next, in Cambridge class, we have Casey Jane. She has been working very hard in her home learning task. Well done, Casey Jane. I've seen some of the work you've been doing and really impressed by it. Keep it up. Now, in Edinburgh class, the Going for Gold award goes to Ellie. Ellie has been playing Times Table Rockstar every single day since school's closed. Wow, well done, Ellie. You're going to be a Times Table rock star before you know it. Now, in Cardiff class, the first one we have goes to Harry for his high standard of work. Well done, Harry. Well done. And in Hull class, I said Hull, that's Cardiff class, isn't it? In Cardiff class, it's Harry. And in Cardiff class, the second one is Igor. And Igor has been working hard, and he has been trying tasks even when they might have been a bit more difficult for him. So well done, Igor. Keep it up. Now, in Liverpool class, we have Ella. Now, Ella has done some super home learning, and her model making has been using large brown boxes. It's been fantastic, creative, and imaginative. I like that. Now, in Hull class, the first Hull class, we have Casper. Casper has been fantastic at number sequences, both backwards and forwards. Well done, Casper. And in Hull class, we have Ruby Ann. And this is for her hard working through the pack, really accessing the Times Table rock stores every day. Excellent, Ruby Ann. Excellent. Now in reception, so in York class, we have Roscoe. Roscoe made a big pirate ship using a cardboard box this week. Excellent, Roscoe. Excellent. And then in nursery, we have Flynn. Now, Flynn has been doing a wide range of activities all week. He has been gardening all the way to counting daisies. Wow, fantastic children. What an amazing amount of work you've done this week. Miss Prince and all the teachers and staff at Newlands are very proud of you. All right, time for the Year of Respect Awards. In Oxford class, we have Byron for his fabulous message to the community to keep smiling. Very important message for us right now. Well done, Byron. In Cambridge class, for always staying positive, this goes to Artur. Well done, Artur. I like how you had a positive attitude this week. In Edinburgh class, for her thoughtful comments after she watched the first video of her teachers reading a story and the engagement in the reading of that story, goes to Scarlett. Well done, Scarlett. I like hearing about that. I know Miss Keenan was proud. Now in Cardiff class, the first one goes to Peyton for trying hard even when she found some work very, very tricky. Well done, Peyton. And the second Cardiff class child is Tilly Rose, and this is for her beautiful rainbow. This really made Miss Lofthouse smile. In Year 2 in Liverpool, we have for a very thoughtful and kind individual a great rainbow poster for the window, and that goes to Sienna. I saw that rainbow, Sienna. It was gorgeous. In Hall 1, we have for working hard at home, and that goes to Nadas. Excellent, Nadas. I've seen your work. Well done. In Hall 2, we have for creating a fab, colorful rainbow and displaying this in our window to tell everyone to stay safe. This goes to Amelia. Well done, Amelia. In York class, we have for a child who's been taking part in the Rainbow Challenge, who's getting this award, and this goes to Jacob GC. Well done, Jacob. And then in Leeds class, we have for her listening to her mom when she went on her walk this week. This goes to Violet. Excellent. What fantastic things you've done this week, children. I'm so very proud of you. You should give yourselves a big thumbs up. Well done. Big clap. Yay. Well done. So, it's been a bit of a different week, hasn't it? But I think y'all have all done such a wonderful job. All the teachers, all the staff want you to know that we miss you loads, absolutely loads. But we're loving seeing all your work that you're posting on Twitter and that you're sending to the teachers via their email. Now remember, if you go on the school website, you'll be able to find lots of things to do. Click on the links we have on the first page, and there's lots of extra things to do even when you have finished all your other work. There's some amazing virtual field trips and class trips and stuff to learn about geography and history, and there's lots of art ideas and science ideas. And also, starting now and into next week, the teachers are going to start putting their lessons on YouTube. So don't forget to watch your lessons on YouTube. And they're going to set your work there, and you'll be able to do that as well. All right, I want everyone to have a good weekend. You need to rest, you need to relax, you need to listen to your adults because you really have had a good week. See you next week.